In today's video, I will talk about first 10 things women really notice about guys. So let's begin. 1. Your face matters. Women notice your face first. Good grooming, a well-maintained jawline, and eyes can make a lasting impression. Take care of your skin. It speaks volumes. 2. Taking care of your hair. Whether you have long locks or a bald head, care matters. Understand your hair type, keep it groomed, and invest in good products. It's about embracing what you have. 3. Style counts. Your clothes and styles speak about you. It's not about brands. It's about how well your clothes fit and your personal flair. Represent yourself the best way possible. 4. Your shoes are crucial. Shoes are important for your outfit. Focus on quality, not just the brand. Keep them clean and well kept. Your shoes reflect how well you take care of yourself. 5. Body language is key. Stand tall, be confident. Open body language invites conversation. Eye contact and a smile make you approachable. Communication isn't just words. It's in how you carry yourself. 6. Hands speak volumes. Trim those nails, keep them clean. Dry hands, lotion up. Your hands, especially if you talk with them a lot, are noticed. It's a subtle but essential detail. 7. Fragrance matters. While not a deal breaker, a good fragrance stands out. It's inviting and memorable. Have a signature scent. It creates a lasting impression. 8. Communication skills. Talk confidently, be engaging. Awkward silence is avoidable. Practice social skills. Make conversations flow. 9. Sense of humor wins. Laughter is attractive, not constant jokes, but the ability to laugh, be casual, and not take life too seriously. It's a key ingredient in making a connection. 10. Clean spaces. A tidy home or car is a plus. It's not about being obsessive, but a clean space is inviting. Also, what you have in your space reflects your interests. Be a well-rounded individual.